Hi everybody, Old Iron Will. Hope you're all having a great day. It's very hot up in my country here right now, so very humid. So I haven't been doing a whole lot extra work, but I did finally get this cart kind of put together. So I'll throw you on time lapse, see how that went. So show you how that went. So anyway, stick around, and I'll have a few closing comments at the end. So everybody, like I say, that's the cart now I've built for the economy 5 horsepower hit and miss engine, type E engine that I'm going through right now. Got it all tore apart. Next step will be got to make a new bracket for the fuel tank to hang in the base there, but we'll work on that here on one of these cooler days or cooler evenings or something like that and get it done. So anyways, these carts I bought down in the Le Sueur swap meet. Had them for quite a few years ago. I haven't been to Le Sueur I think in about 10 years, so I still have a few of them kicking around. I can't remember the gentleman's name. I'm going to try and look it up and see if I can come across it. I believe he called himself A Coil was the name of the company. He was an electric wheelchair and did an amazing job on his buzz coils and stuff like that he used to make. So I bought quite a few of them on my trips to Le Sueur over the years to the swap meet, and he did a really good job on these carts. So they're a fairly heavy duty cart. They're built very well. I've used a couple of them on some of my engines. Got a few more yet because the only thing is they weren't cheap at the time, but they were a well built cart, and it was, like I say, it's hard to find carts up in my country. So anyways, I'll just give you a quick walk around it here and show you it. So again, well built, nice rear bolster on them. 1.25 inch solid shaft axle. Wheels are, I'll throw a tape on them and I'll tell you the measurement of the wheels. I'm not sure off the top of my head though. And again, a pretty heavy duty front bolster and stuff on them, so it'll be more than practical for that 5 horsepower economy engine. The only thing I added was I did put those collars on just to lock the back axle. There was nothing to lock them in. I guess I could have drilled and tapped the bolsters, but the rear bolsters, and put a set screw in, but I had those collars anyway, so I just decided to use them. So a 2-inch face on the cart wheels by 19-inch diameter, like I say, 1.25 inch solid axle shaft running through there. So it'll work good for that engine I'm going to put on there. So not too big, but it's still big enough to support it well, and it's not like it's getting pulled down the road or anything like that. It's just to really move it around a little bit, right? So yeah, you get your carts too big, they take up a lot of space too, so trying to find that happy medium. So anyways, thanks everybody for taking the time to tuned, watch. Please like and subscribe. And hopefully we get a few cooler days coming up here. We've had lots of rain, but boy, it sure has been hot lately. You can probably tell I'm sweating just sitting here, so with the sun beating on me right now. So anyways, I gotta go find a cool drink. We'll talk to you all next time. Bye for now.